Investing Guide for Beginners. Figuring out how to invest money, and where to invest it, can be complicated. With these tips, you'll be ready to start investing soon. What is investing? When you're investing, you're buying assets with the expectation that the value will increase over time. Assets include stocks, bonds, property, or even things like valuable collectibles or art. It also applies to the likes of Bitcoin and NFTs. The aim is usually to buy low and sell at a high price to earn a profit. How to start investing? Set your investment goals. Before you put money into the stock market, it's important to set some goals. Do you want to build capital, buy stocks that increase in value, or generate income through dividends, for example? Are you planning to invest for your retirement, or do you want the money back sooner? Pick your investments. Choosing what stocks, shares, or funds to buy can be a little overwhelming, especially when you're new to investing. But this is where the research comes in. Always make sure you know what you invest in. Just because someone on Twitter said a certain stock is a good option, that doesn't mean it's true. Open a stocks and shares ISO or brokerage account. Before you can buy your first investment, you need a brokerage account. This is an online platform where you can buy, sell, and track the price of your stocks and shares. Buy your investments. Before you buy any investments, do your research. Know what it is you're buying and whether it lines up with your investment goals. When you're ready to buy your investments, log into your online brokerage account and find the stock or funds you want to buy. While all brokerage platforms work slightly different, buying shares is pretty straightforward. Find the company or index fund you want to invest in and add the number of shares you want to buy. Keep track of your investments. Congratulations! You're an investor now. The only thing that remains is to keep track of your investments and sell them when you think it's the right time. But if you have a long-term strategy, this may not be for many years. Obviously, you don't have to log into your brokerage account every day, but it's good practice to check in every few months. Is now a good time to invest? Now you know how to invest your money, you may be wondering whether this is the right time to start. With the price of stocks constantly going up and down, you want to make sure you buy at the lowest price to maximize your profits, right? A good investment is one where you understand exactly what your money is doing. You should never invest in something you don't understand. Just because someone on social media said a company will do well, there's no guarantee it actually will increase in value. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Other ways to invest your money. There are other places to invest your money other than the stock market, including: put cash in the bank. Pros: low risk. Cons: low returns, usually less than inflation. Buy and sell antiques, art, wines, collectibles. Pros: fun way to invest if you're interested in the things you're buying. Cons: you need to be an expert on what you're selling, and items aren't guaranteed to go up in value. Invest in property. Pros: long-term, stable investment. Cons: requires a lot of upfront costs and it's not as easy to sell if you need the money for something else. Buy bonds. Pros: less risky than stocks. Cons: lower returns. Put money in cryptocurrencies. Pros: able to trade 24/7 and it's possible to have high returns. Cons: high risk, very volatile, haven't proven themselves to be a solid long-term investment.